Ukraine is one of the largest countries in Europe. Kiev is also the place where Clinic of Reproductive Medicine Nadiya has been founded in the year 2006 and still operates to this day. Thanks to the selfless work done by the staff members of this clinic, 4,000 babies have been born in families from 34 countries around the world. Bringing joy to people is the sole desire of all the staff of the Nadiya Clinic. Innovation, effectiveness and guarantees lie in the heart of the services offered by Nadiya Clinic.
First of all, it's so-called embryoscopy. It's time-lapse picture of the embryos which could ask to select the best embryo for embryo transfer. And another, our last innovation, it is the using array comparative genomic hybridization for detection of chromosomal status of the embryos, and after transfer of the euploid, so-called normal embryos, we could achieve very high pregnancy rate and high delivery rate even for the patient with a very poor prognosis.
The high birth rates that follow the IVF procedure performed in Nadiya Clinic have ensured its high ranking among other fertility clinics in Ukraine. An average year in the Nadiya Clinic yields the following results. Each year, more than 1,000 embryo transfers are performed. Stable rates of pregnancy of 47% to 49% within all age groups were maintained throughout the last 4 years. More than 400 labors and over 500 newborn babies are delivered each year. There are two main reasons why assisted reproductive technology might fail. The first one is genetic or chromosomal aberrations in the fetus. The second reason is an inhospitable lining of the uterus, or a state of health of the woman that doesn't allow for the pregnancy to occur.
We propose a pre-implantation genetic diagnosis with comparative genomic hybridization to choose the embryo with good karyotype, euploid embryo, from one side, and from other side we correct or neutralize this abnormality in the female body.
In order to properly assess the state of the embryo without influencing its growth environment, Nadiya Clinic specialists utilize embryoscope that allows for time-lapse recording of the embryo's growth.
With time-lapse embryo culture, every aspect of embryo development becomes visible and measurable. Thus, embryologists can be pretty sure about the best embryos for transfer.
In order to increase the effectiveness of the ART cycles, the Nadiya Clinic also uses pre-implantation genetic diagnosis.
We are the first center between CIS countries which started for our patient the comprehensive chromosome screening of embryos by array comparative genomic hybridization, the modern and most effective method of diagnostics. It allows us to select embryos without chromosomal abnormalities, even in a case of carriage of chromosome rearrangement.
Nadiya Clinic cares deeply about each patient, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Special attention is given to international patients as they are already going through a lot of stress by coming to a foreign country. A special department is created for them, which ensures effective communication between the doctor and the patient, including communication via email, Skype and phone.
There are French and English coordinators in our clinic. Our patients do not need to come for the first consultation because they can receive all needed information via coordinators, except money-back programs. Moreover, the patients can reach our coordinators 24 from 7 days per week for any question regarding their treatment, their hotels, apartments, transfer, and all sorts of questions.
Nadiya Clinic is the only reproductive clinic in the world that bears not only moral but also the financial responsibility for the successful treatment of infertility. Notably, a special money-back program is created for international patients.
We could propose for our foreign patient the money-back program for side donation. after some selection of the patient concerning the age, the quality of the sperm, the number of unsuccessful cycle, we could propose for the patient the one payment, and if we could not achieve the pregnancy, viable pregnancy after the not more than 4 embryo transfer, we could return 90% of the payment for the patient returning.
Innovative technologies and financial guarantees are the things that separate Nadiya Clinic from all the rest. Therefore, each patient is guaranteed to receive effective, high-quality treatment.
We would like to be not only the best clinic in Ukraine, but one of the best clinics over the world.
Nadiya is a clinic that turns dreams into reality for many parents that have already lost hope. Specialists of Nadiya provide people with an opportunity to create a family with kids of their own.